What's up guys, you're here with Ceramic Garage. We got a Tesla Model S. If you've done PPF or any type of wraps to them, you're always going to have to take off this front license plate cover. We do use a Torx tool right here. It's a size 10. I already started loosening these, so we're just going to finish doing it. This is just the cover. You'll be able to just pull it off like that. The second thing we'll do, we'll just kind of soak it a little bit. That way we get some slip behind the actual glue. You'll want to heat the actual plastic. You don't want to heat it too much when it gets too hot. But we have had the problem like a long time ago when we first started getting these in. There was a time we peeled paint off of it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure anyone who's done this has probably dealt with that at least once in their life. We'll heat it up. If you just yank it and yank it, you really end up pulling the actual paint. So you don't want to yank it off. You'll string it off. If you can't string it off, sometimes depending on how they install it, sometimes it's so tight on there. You'll heat it up and you'll take a tool, kind of like corner card, double-sided tape that's behind there. You'll just kind of like open it up with one of these if you have to. The easiest way, if it works, is getting some like 20-pound line and getting behind here. And once you're behind there, pulling away from the paint so you're not actually etching into the clear coat. It helps to use gloves so you don't do that to your fingers. All right, cool. I didn't cut my fingers. We're good. So slowly pull it away at that point. You got your piece off. The rest is going to be us using adhesive remover, just slowly peeling this off, getting it off. I like to just kind of use my hand. If it doesn't come off, then we'll go get the adhesive remover. Eventually we're going to have to clean it up, so once all the big bulk is off, we'll just use the adhesive remover to clean it up, strip it with some alcohol, clean it up, and get ready for the install. We like to use Solvent X. It's a really good adhesive remover. We'll get it on our towel. Kind of work it on, maybe in a circular motion if you have to. Make sure it's all off. Of course, you'll make sure not to leave it on the paint after too, so you'll neutralize it with some soapy water or alcohol. Alright, there you go. Stay tuned guys, we're going to get ready to fully wrap and protect the front end and the rocker panels on this. We'll also be installing some windshield skin to make sure we don't get rock chips on the front windshield. We also have another option, so some customers or some Tesla owners don't like putting this back on, so we do have another option, and I'm also going to show you guys that, and we'll share a link of where you can get that. Alright guys, so that's the Quick Bandit, made by 1975 Creations. You go to quickbandit.com. It literally just attaches on like that. There's a quick attachment. You can take it off whenever you want and put it back on. So that is an option that you guys have. Alright guys, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.